Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you some more sweet and simple blends, markers, tips using the Timeless Charm bundle. Here's my Timeless Charm card using the blends markers, and I'm going to show you this really easy and fun way to create these flowers. So I used the Timeless Charm bundle, which is only available online and has all of these lovely flowers and leaves, stamps and dies, and then these watercolor wash stamps and sentiments. So for this card, I'm actually going to switch up the colors a little bit, and I'm going to use Orchid Oasis. So I have the Orchid Oasis marker here and the Parakeet Party marker. I'm using the In Colors that will be retiring this catalog year, I guess I should say. And I'm going to grab the flower, and I'm just going to start by coloring the flower with the brush tip. So just very carefully, I don't want to hurt the brush tip, so I just lay it on its side. And then I'm going to color it with the Parakeet Party for the rest. And I'm just going to stamp that. And so those were the regular Stampin' Up markers. And now I'm going to use the blends markers to color in the flower and to blend it. So this is a great way to get the colors that you want. I'm just going to go to the brush tip side because I think it's darker. And then we'll add some light. And we'll just color this all in, and then we can cut this out with the dies. Okay, now we're gonna cut this out, but I have some already cut out along with my card base and my 4 by 5 1/4 piece of Parakeet Party. And then this is the designer series paper that is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And then I have all of my pieces here. So I have cut and colored. So I have stamped and colored and cut all of these pieces. So now I'm just going to assemble everything together. I'm just gonna stamp this in Orchid Oasis right in the center. And then I will attach this to the center. And I'm going to add some of these In Color pearls. I did the green last time. This time I'm gonna do the Orchid Opulence. So I'm gonna actually put it out here. And there is my Timeless Charm card using the blends markers and bright markers to color the flowers. Get my Timeless Charm card kit for just $5 shipping when you place an order for $50 using my current host code. Then email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you.